I'm sending my message to Mr. Bosmic Otim from Agago district. This message goes to you, brother. I don't know if you are my brother, but this message goes to you. We have seen your message, brother, and your message has reached us. But I want to ask you some simple question. Give us 2 genuine reasons why you don't like Bobi Wine. 2 genuine reasons why you don't like Bobi Wine. And I have another like 4 and 5 questions. I want to ask you, our brother Obim, our brother Bosmic Otim. Is Bobi Wine the one who stole northern land from Apa, from Kalamoja? Is Bobi Wine the one who stole cattle from Kalamajongis, from northern Uganda? Is Bobi Wine the one who failed to build schools and hospitals for your children in northern Uganda, or in Apa, or Abim, or Agago? Is Bobi Wine the one? Is Bobi Wine the one who stole the Mabati from Karamoja? I want to ask you just some simple questions. Why you don't like that man? And give us a genuine reason. If you are not in tribal statements, if you are not in divide and rule, you are just given money to divide young people so that you are scared and your government is scared from the United Force of Youths in Uganda to defend and fight for what belongs to them. That's why you are fearing. That's what exactly you are fearing. But you don't even have a genuine reason why you spread lies, why you blackmail, why you make malice on that man. You don't want Bobi Wine in northern Uganda. You don't Bobi Wine in where exactly you have said, but it is okay. But for us, our brothers and sisters from northern Uganda, we really love you. And you know, you have been with us in Kampala. We cooperate with you. We work with you. We are one people. We are brothers and sisters from one mother, Uganda, with different fathers, which is our tribes and cultures and regions. You cannot be alone as northern Uganda. You need central Uganda. And we central Uganda, we cannot be alone. We need you. We need each other. But this government needs both of us. This government which is stealing from us need northern Uganda and central Uganda. They all need us. They need us all. They cannot depend at one side. They cannot depend on northern Uganda only. They cannot depend on central Uganda only. They need us all. That's why they don't want us to unite to fight what belongs to us. This message goes to our brothers and sisters from northern Uganda, from Abim, from Apa, from Kalamoja. Please speak out. Condemn these words. Condemn these people, so that they can know that even you see what is wrong and right. But whenever you keep quiet, you are just proving the world that you are angry with their rotten words. Really, such kind of words. Such kind of words, it is not allowed in our country. That's not what we want in our country. We want to unite. We want to unite Ugandans. We want to fight for what belongs to us, because what is the problem in northern Uganda is the same problem in central Uganda. We have the problem of land grabbing. They are now stealing the land in Apa, in Gulu, in Kalamoja. They have stolen their cattle. So you mean Bobi Wine is the one who stole that? You mean Bobi Wine is the problem of northern Uganda? You mean Bobi Wine is the one who killed people in northern Uganda? Is that what you want to tell us, Mr. Otim? Mr. Otim, this message goes to you, and answer us just some simple questions we are asking you, and give us some 2 reasons, genuine reason why you don't like Bobi Wine. That's what we want. When you give us that, we are going to believe you. We are going to believe you. These people, this government is now scared for the united forces of youths in Uganda, because they know when the youths join and unite, they will force them out of the power. That's why they compromise some of us and start to divide us. That's their tactics of divide and rule. Please, people, youths, especially youths in northern Uganda, we know that you are also suffering. Is that man Bosmic tell us that Bobi Wine is the one who failed to create job for the people of northern Uganda? Is Bobi Wine the one who forced the people of northern Uganda to come on streets of Kampala? Is Bobi Wine the one behind those things? Is Bobi Wine the one who stole your land? Is Bobi Wine the one who stole your cattle? Is Bobi Wine the one who killed you? Mr. Bosmic Otim, really, don't divide our brothers and sisters in northern Uganda. Don't divide us. We are united. We are one people. We know your government needs us all. But for us as we need each other. Ugandans need each other. No one can survive without another one. But your government cannot survive without both of us. So that's why you are fighting so hard. I have seen Balaam in Itolo talking such nonsense like you. And even you now, you are in northern Uganda, Abimu and Apa, you are just talking rubbish. Rubbish. But please, our brothers and sisters in northern Uganda, you have to stand and defend yourselves. And you isolate yourself from these people. Because what they are saying, what they are talking is really not good for you. It's not really good for you. We have seen Anite talking that I don't want Bobi Wine, I don't Koboko. I'm the gateway of Koboko. But she's talking that in our land. That is being really, I don't know you people. These people, they are scared for the united change, united forces of youth, which His Excellency Bobi Wine has created in Uganda. That's what they are fearing, but nothing else. But we have to stand as generation, as youths, to defend and protect and chase these thieves from the power, because they have stolen everything to us.